Hey everybody, I want to tell you about the Road to California Quilters Conference and Showcase in Ontario, California. It is a must-see event if you are someone who loves quilting, loves fiber art, or just wants to feel inspired. I joined my mom and some of her very best friends. Here they are right here for this quilt show where there were thousands of exhibitors, thousands of people, and so much fun. I met a lot of new friends. I saw people that I already knew, and I felt really, really motivated to make something amazing. I mean, look at all the things they had to show you at this quilt show. Favorite booth of the day. This Fiberworks booth had the kind of things that really trigger my interest. That's my style. Maybe you love French General. They were there as well. I mean, all kinds of vendors from all different brands were there showing what they have, what's new, selling, offering techniques and skills, books, and whatnot. Besides the classes and workshops that are being held behind the scenes, the Road to California conference is just a convention center jam-packed with fabric and quilts, notions, all kinds of goodies with just such a vibrant feel and look all over. And there's something for your eyes to feast on. No matter what your skill level is, whether you're beginner or advanced, there's something for everyone here. So here's just a couple of things that I saw that I thought were really kind of fun and different. And you could see this whole convention center, the way it looked. Oh, and right here, almost the only man there, because of course this place is filled with women and there were only a few men there. I did see a few guys, but you could see even the men's bathrooms were converted to make them more female friendly. And so you see the urinals there. That's funny. But check out the convention center floor. Look what you're missing. So check it out. Look at this video. Look how inspiring and busy and fun and energetic this crowd is. Here you see some pictures of some other booths, quilts, and displays that I really liked. Also, there's some photos of some of the art quilts that people had submitted because they do have a competition there. And it was really fun to look at how creative and talented other quilters are. I did have some favorites. And like this modern style, I love, love, love. And I did go back again to my Fiberworks booth because I loved it so much. But look here, so amazing. I can't even believe that those are quilts. And then here I bought the pattern for those pillows. I can't wait to make them. And here, if you don't want to carry your heavy bag of goodies, you can pay the Girl Scouts and they'll hold them for you while you're shopping. That's a cool service. And then here's a picture of the pattern that I purchased, and I can't wait to make that. And I met one of my favorite ladies from one of my favorite fiber arts booth. Here I made a quilt that I wanted to show you, and here's another one that I'm working on. I hope that my video made you feel inspired to come to the Road to California Quilters Conference and Showcase in Ontario, California. It happens every year around January, so plan ahead and be there for sure. Join me and the other 39,000 visitors to this really cool Quilters Conference that happens every year. You definitely will feel inspired. So whether you want to submit a quilt for the contest or teach a class, be a vendor, or just walk around and feel inspired and shop, meet friends, or make new friends, it's all here for you. And I had a bunch of fun. I'm sure that you will too. So anyhow, you can find them online at www.road2ca.com, roadtocalifornia.com. I hope to see you there.